Benahavis, between the mountains and the Mediterranean, just minutes from Marbella, yet far from the rush. A place where life flows naturally, serene, exclusive, alive. Here, every street leads to beauty. Benahavis is known as the dining room of the Costa del Sol, where fine cuisine and local tradition meet at every table, where nature, taste and beauty find their perfect balance, where architecture meets light and design meets nature, lush fairways surrounded by mountains and sea breeze, a paradise for those who play and those who simply love the view. Horse riders follow ancient trails, freedom across mountain paths, a lifestyle shaped by tradition and modern living. The Guadalmina River brings the sound of life. Crystal waters, hidden pools, moments of quiet adventure. More than a destination, a home, a way of life, an investment in harmony with the earth. Discover Benahavis with the experts you can trust, the leading name in real estate. From the Estates Marbella, real estate with love.